Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S25 when you have forgotten your screen lock password. Before proceeding, connect your Samsung Galaxy S25 to a computer. Now, press and hold the volume down button and power button simultaneously until the screen goes black. Immediately after the screen goes black, press and hold the volume up button while still holding the power button. When the Samsung logo appears, release both buttons. Wait a moment, your phone will boot into Android recovery mode. Use the volume down button to navigate to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press the side button to select it. You will see a warning, wipe all data, this cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. If you are sure, use the volume down button to select Factory Data Reset and press the side button to confirm. Once the reset is complete, ensure Reboot System Now is selected and press the side button. Your phone will restart. After restarting, you will see the initial screen setup. Tap Start and follow the prompts. You will see a message: an unauthorized attempt has been made to reset your device to a factory default settings. Connect to your Wi-Fi. Now you will be asked for your screen lock PIN password or pattern. Since you have forgotten it, tap Use My Google account instead. Enter the Google account credentials associated with your device. You might be asked to update your account with your phone number. You can skip this or proceed. You may also be given the option to use a new or previously used account. Choose your preference. Continue the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions. And congratulations, you have successfully reset your Samsung Galaxy S25. Remember, this is your last resort. Always back up your data if possible before doing a factory reset. Thanks for watching.